I've been a celebrity manicurist since the mid-90s. I love traveling, working in new cities with different people. There's never a dull moment. It's important for me to take care of my own hands because they are my calling card. When I turned 50, I started to notice that my hands were looking older and I felt like they were starting to give away my age. The skin was thinning, the veins and tendons were more noticeable, and the backs of my hands were losing the natural fat that helps make them look more youthful. Then a friend of mine told me that Restylane Lyft had been FDA approved for the hands. Restylane Lyft is the only FDA-approved injectable hyaluronic acid gel filler that restores volume to the back of the hands. The procedure took under 30 minutes. My dermatologist administered the treatment, and it was quick and easy. There was no downtime afterwards, and I returned to my normal activities the very same day. I love that my hands don't give away my age anymore. Restylane Lyft has changed my life as a manicurist because I have plenty of tips on how to achieve soft, beautiful hands, but you can't treat age-related volume loss with creams and sun protection. My aging hands had been bothering me for a long time, and I also have friends and clients who are concerned with the volume loss in their hands. I'm so happy that I can finally recommend a filler to my clients that addresses volume loss in the hands. I feel confident recommending Restylane Lyft because I've had it myself, and I'm very, very pleased with the results.